this video, I'm going to show you how to refresh your For You feed on TikTok. And what you're going to do for this, you're going to your profile section at the bottom right. In here, we're going to click on the top right hamburger icon, basically the 3 stripes. From here, we are clicking on settings and privacy. Right now, we scroll a little bit down where we see content preferences. We click on this. And in here, we can see at the middle part, refresh your For You feed. And this is the function, the option we're going to click on. And as you can see, it asks us to get a fresh start, basically refreshing your For You feed and your For You page. And when you want to apply this, you basically click on continue. And of course, this action cannot be undone. So right now I'm going to click on refresh. And as you can see, we have refreshed the For You feed. You can give TikTok some feedback of what your reason is to refresh this feed. And I'm doing it just because of curiosity. And that is it. Now I have refreshed my feed. Everything is all set and you're good to go now. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I see you in the next one.